Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you some different options for changing the slide size in a PowerPoint presentation. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I have a slideshow in Microsoft PowerPoint, sometimes I may want to change the size of this slide depending on where I'm going to be presenting it. So if I go on the design ribbon and I go over here to slide size, I have a couple of options here. And right now it's set to widescreen, the 16:9. And what that's good for is projecting your slideshow onto a TV. If I select the standard size, the 4:3, that's a little bit better for displaying your presentation on a computer. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And I can also go down here to custom slide size. And I have a lot of options right here where I can do widescreen, overhead, banner, or some other custom options. I could also select portrait and do some custom measurements over here in case I'm doing it on a smartphone, if that's where people are going to be watching my slideshow. So there are just a lot of options inside of PowerPoint for you to change the slide size for your slideshow. We go over this a lot more in detail out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.